Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we have a 36-inch D.E.M.C ceiling fan from October 1981. I got this fan from justderpy. You got two of these on Facebook Marketplace for $20. I think it was $20. It came with everything, came with the hook, it even came with the controller, which is right here. So yeah, these fans are really rare. I actually been wanting these fans for quite a long time now, and I got one. So yeah, it's on a exclusive wall controller, and yeah, but anyway, we're gonna start up on the low. The speeds on this is not perfect, but what you know. Alright, there's low speed, now we put on the medium speed. This fan doesn't have a change between medium and high, but it's not like a big difference, it's a little difference, but yeah. So that's pretty much high speed, I believe. Okay, and I'm going to put on the high speed. Turbo speed. This thing is a ripper. Blows a lot of air. Alright, now I'm going to do spin again. The lower canopy is cracked on the top, but there's nothing really much you can do about it, really. Plus, you can't even see it at all from down here, so yeah. Well, unless you're standing far from it, then you can see the crack, but it's fine. Also, this is my very first 36-inch ceiling fan as well. I've been wanting a 36-inch fan for quite a long time now. But I couldn't, but there was like none up for sale or anything. So yeah, that's why I couldn't get one, because they never pop up for sale anyway. In my area. Alright, now it's stopped. Now we're going to do 0 to high. It speeds up really quick. Okay. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.